It's now time to take this event forward to another milestone moment as we announce the release of SVT's manual, Yoga for Health and Well-Being for the year 2021. I would like to invite Head of Food, Nutrition and Dietetics Department, Dr. Madhuri Nirgurkar, ma'am, to share a few words with us.
Thank you so much, Juhi. Greetings to all on this International Day of Yoga. On this special occasion, we would like to release a handbook on yoga for health and well-being. I would like to inform all the students who are there in this meet today that we at the Department of Food, Nutrition and Dietetics, in collaboration with the Yoga Institute, Santa Cruz, Mumbai, we offer a practical course in yoga for health and well-being. And we have specialized faculty from the Yoga Institute, Santa Cruz, to take this course for our students. We have trained yoga teachers from this Yoga Institute, Santa Cruz. And students, we are very fortunate that today in this meet, we have all the three yoga teachers with us, Miss Nazneen, Miss Manjuji, and Miss Neetaji, who have been taking this course for our TY students. They are the ones who have compiled this manual, which is titled Handbook on Yoga for Health and Well-Being. This manual will act as a ready reference for the students to understand yogic concepts and to understand the connection between the yoga, nutrition, health, and well-being. So may I now request Dr. Madan, our own principal, our vice principal, Mrs. Manjari Bhalerao, the yoga teachers from the Yoga Institute, Neetaji, Manjuji, Nazneen ji, and all my dear students to join us in this release of the yoga manual. Yeah, thank you so much. And it's a real proud moment for all of us. Thank you. Over to you, Juhi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for etching this moment in history with such grace. I express my deep gratitude also towards everyone who has contributed towards this handbook. This initiative has given us such a strong foundation to build our journey into yoga for years to come. In fact, we are hoping to capture the vision of our youth to take the baton of yoga ahead with this initiative. And we are looking forward as this manual, this handbook, as a guiding point for our journey in health and wellness. Now it's moment that many of us have been waiting for. It's time to announce the winners of the yoga demonstration competition. It was specially organized for our first year students to motivate them to embrace as a yoga way of life. So I would like to start with first thanking our esteemed jury members from the Yoga Institute, who have taken time off their very busy schedule to go through all the entries so patiently and finally spelling out the results to us. Let me introduce you to our jury. We have Neeta Bakshiji and Manju Khatriji, faculty from the Yoga Institute, as our esteemed jury. Neeta ma'am, can I request you to please say a few words on this occasion?
Yes, sure. Namaste, everyone, and a happy International Day of Yoga to all of you. I really don't know, I don't have any words to express my happiness over the youth coming in and performing the yogas. I'm really impressed today. I'm really, really impressed. And I'm so happy the Indian youth is looking forward to enter into this yoga practices so that they live a better life, not like us. I am so honest about it. I missed it. I have missed the bus. Really, I want to go back to my college days. So it's really nice. I have no other words to say for this. And I would really thank Ms. Jagmeet Madan, Dr. Madhuri ma'am, everything, the cooperation which we have received since the 3 years. It's excellent, ma'am. And I wish everyone, all of you, thank you so much to keep the journey moving. If we are not there, this journey should not stop. That's all I would like to say. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for gracing this event and for being kind enough to share your thoughts. May I also request Manju, ma'am, to please enlighten us with your thoughts on this special occasion.
Namaste, everyone. Thank you, Juhi ji. Thank you, Madan ma'am. Thank you, Madhuri ma'am, and everyone over here for making this event really very nice. And all the youngsters, as Neeta said, are really amazing. No words to express. In fact, I was just looking at the instructions and saying how well they're instructing, how well they're performing. It's really amazing to just see that this is the next batch who's going to really come up. And, I'm excited to have this batch around with us, Neeta and me, like both of us. And it's really amazing, very well done. No words can express how amazing it is, It's really great. Keep it up. Thumbs up, double thumbs up. That's it. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for gracing this event and for such motivating, warm words. We feel very, very happy to hear these words from you. Thank you. Okay, now that I have introduced the jury members, I shouldn't keep you all waiting. I know how impatiently the FYs are waiting to know the results. So what's up next? It's finally time for what all of you have been waiting for. I'm going to announce the winners for this competition. Are you guys ready? Some cheers if I would like to hear from my friends and colleagues.
Juhi ji, just 1 second before you announce the result, I would say Neeta and me, we are very happy with the Yoga Institute, along with them, to be associated to our college, our SNDT college, or Sir Vittaldas College of Home Science. I'm very, very happy, both of us. This is a gratitude. We have really learned a lot. Yes, Juhi, over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so let me start by announcing the second runner-up for the competition. Before I do that, let's take a look at her video.
Is Mr. Elton with us? Elton, sir? Otherwise, Aditi, you can take over.
Elton is here, ma'am. Yeah, he's sharing.
Hello, my viewers. I am Shamashi, Department of Textile Apparel. Today, I am to do headstand pose or Shirshasana, which means the posture where one stands on the top of the head. It is also known as the king of the all yoga poses because of its numerous benefits and effects on the body as on the mind. So let's get started. So, headstand offers many health benefits. It gives you healthy hair and scalp, improves your blood circulation, and it is very beneficial for your eyesight, etc. In addition to the benefits, it has certain risk also, such as back and shoulder or injury. You must learn safety, such as build strength in your arms, engage your core, avoid compressing your head and neck, etc. to do it safely. So don't meditate and do yoga because yoga se hi hoga. Thank you.
Wow, that was so wonderfully done. Congratulations, Shama, for such a wonderful video, for such a wonderful performance. We have a tie on this particular second runner-up category. So may I request Elton sir to showcase the second video for this same category before I congratulate the winners and hear from them.
Namaste, I am Juhi Kapoor, FYFND department, and I am demonstrating Ekpadasana, one leg balancing posture. Let's begin. Stand erect with your chest up, feet together, and shoulders relaxed. Gently start lifting your right leg up. Try to balance on your left leg. Place the sole of your right leg against your opposite inner thigh. Hands in Namaste in front of your chest, and just focus at one point and keep breathing normally. Your eyes should be fixed at one point so that you can maintain your balance. Hold steady here for a few counts and then release your posture. Gently release it without any jerk and go with your other leg. Place your left sole of the foot against the right opposite thigh. Maintain your balance. Try to be steady. Well, ground your foot onto the mat. Eyes should remain fixed at one point. Gently release your pose. Ekpadasana has many benefits. It strengthens legs, improves balance, sharpens your awareness and concentration. It calms the mind. Also good for diabetes because it stimulates the nervous system. There are some limitations. Anyone with severe arthritis, lower back pain, slip disc, vertigo, or sciatica should avoid practicing this asana. Do practice it regularly, gradually increase the time of holding the posture from a few seconds to 1 minute on each leg. I hope you enjoyed watching this demonstration. Namaste and thank you so much.
Wow, I think my technical team is very smart. They told me there is a tie, but they didn't inform me that I am one of the winners. Okay, Shama, congratulations. Can you please unmute yourself, Shama Sheikh, and please share a few words for winning the second runner-up? Are you there with us, Shama?
थैंक यू सो मच आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल मैं इतना ज्यादा खुश हो रही हूँ कि मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलूँ क्योंकि मैंने एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं किया था मुझे मिलेगा कुछ थैंक यू सो मच
You had to get it. You did so well. And on behalf of everyone, I would like to thank you for, as I have also won, and it feels very nice, and I'm quite glad about it. Thank you so much. And now it's time to.
Congratulations, Juhi. I think both of you all were amazing, and I really loved the way you all narrated the benefits, the limitations, the postures, and how the whole thing. It was just very, very good. Excellent. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Coming from you, it makes us even more happy and privileged. Okay, I know, yes, people are holding heartbeats. Let me announce this first runner-up for this competition. Hold your heartbeats tight. Before I spell out the name, let's take a look at her video.
Hello everyone. On the occasion of Yoga Day, I, Vidisha, would like to demonstrate Sirsasana Asana, which is also called as Yoga Headstand. It is practiced as an asana and mudra in Hatha Yoga. For this pose, sit with your folded mat against the wall. Measure your arms by making a triangle. Lock your arms tightly to the mat and place your head ground in the center of your hand and the mat. Move over and reach your legs out. Make a mountain pose. Slowly walk over to the wall and bend your knees so that your feet is facing the wall. Gradually straighten your leg and flex your feet against the wall. Slowly trying to find your balance off the wall by lifting your body from the wall. You there got a complete headstand. Now bring your legs back to the wall and reverse a pose to come back down. Gently place your legs to the ground. Practice this pose 30 seconds a day by giving your body rest of 15 seconds of child pose. This pose improves your brain and lung function, strengthens the arm and muscle, and it improves digestion. It is a stress reliever and it is therapeutic to insomnia and asthma. People with low eyesight, arm strength, and leg strength should not perform this. Pregnant women should not perform this pose as there are high chances of falling out of the pose. Young kids should always do it with parental supervision. Happy Yoga Day. I hope yoga allows you to find your new kind of freedom that your body needs every day. Thank you.
Wow, what a beautiful message. Vidhi, congratulations. Can you unmute yourself and say a few words for us?
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. I feel very honored to showcase my talent and what I know about yoga to share with you this on Yoga Day. Happy Yoga Day, everyone. Thank you.
Vidhi, I think it was amazing. I was just looking at, the finesse with which you took each step because this is a very, very difficult asana and you have to be really accurate, starting from the first point to how you, describe what is important. It was very well done. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. It means a lot.
Thank you so much, Vidhi. Congratulations. And now it's time to announce the winner of this competition, the first prize winner of this competition. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? I can't hear. I'm not going to say anything unless I hear some cheers from this room.
Yeah, in the chat box, yes.
Yes, I can see a lot of messages on chat. Okay, so let's watch the video before we announce the name. Can we have the video, please?
Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. On the occasion of International Yoga Day, I, Miss Svara Kalantri, would like to demonstrate Vistruta Pada Halasan. It is the advanced stage of Halasan and it derives its name from the Sanskrit word hala meaning plow and asana meaning pose. Hence, it is the plow pose. Lay down on a mat in a sleeping position. Exhale and while inhaling, lift the legs and keep them at a right angle to the ground. Lift your waist and try to touch the legs behind your head while exhaling and maintain your balance. Make sure to not bend your knees. You can even use your hands to keep them on your waist to support your legs. Spread your legs and with both the hands hold the toes of your legs. Breathe normally and hold this posture for around 30 seconds. While going back to your original sleeping position, make sure you follow all the same steps demonstrated in the video. No matter what happens, never leave the asana abruptly or in a fast manner. This could cause pain or ache at specific body parts. Let us now see some of the benefits of this asana. Your leg, back, abdominal, hamstring and neck muscles are stretched. It even makes your spine, neck, shoulders, legs and hips flexible. This pose works on almost the entire body muscles starting from the tip of the toes to the cervical. Swami Satyananda Saraswati writes that Halasan massages all the internal organs, activates digestion, relieves constipation, revitalizes the spleen and promotes production of insulin. Along with these benefits, there are some limitations of this asana as well. People having weak legs, hamstrings, muscle or calf muscles should avoid this. Pregnant women should also avoid this asana. Those with enlarged thyroid, spleen and liver should avoid because this asana puts lot of pressure on your lower abdomen. Yoga is the gateway of happiness that body needs in daily life. Happy Yoga Day. Thank you.
Wow, congratulations, Swara Kalantre. Can you please unmute yourself and say a few words?
Thank you, everyone. Honestly, this means a lot. We were given the opportunity to showcase like some of our talent, which was very nice of everyone. And mainly, thank you, like congratulations to each and everyone who participated in this. Like without them and without the teachers and judges and everyone, this would not be possible. Thank you.
So, Swara, I want to ask you a question. You've been practicing yoga for how many years now?
Not like very long, like but 3 to 4 years.
Wow, wow, excellent.
Actually, my mom is a professional yoga teacher. That's why like I have been practicing under her.
So I think we have to congratulate your mom to have
definitely
role model for you.
Yes.
And we are only the facilitators who could get this talent out and showcase to our own students. Very well done and very well described. I think a very important statement you made was that no matter how much ever you may be in a hurry, never leave the asana abruptly. I think that was a very, very important statement. So congratulations. Really proud of you.
Congratulations to all the winners. Surely the efforts have paid off. And I can see those sparkling smiles, which means that this win has truly made your day. While only a few of us have won this competition, but all the participants did so well. In fact, our judges told us that the competition was so cutthroat that it was very hard for them to make a choice. So let's watch a few more top entries from participants that did exceedingly well. Can we have the videos, please?
Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you. Sit with your back as straight as you can. Flex your feet a little. Now clasp your hands and stretch your arms out at shoulder level in front of you and come forward as much as you can. Now reach for the toes on your left foot and start to roll around, moving from the hip joint, drawing an imaginary circle all the way to your right. Then finishing the circle, going all the way back and left like you're churning milk. Inhale while bending forward and exhale while back. If it is difficult to coordinate breathing, breathe normally. Stretch your body as much as you can and keep your back as flat as you can. Try not to move your legs much. A little movement of the legs is alright. You will feel the stretch in the arms, abdomen, groin and legs. Initially start with 5 rounds, then repeat the same in anti-clockwise direction. Its benefits are helps tone the back, arms, abdomen and pelvis. Helps to reduce abdominal fat and post-delivery fat. Useful for females in strengthening the uterus muscles. If practiced regularly, it prevents against painful menstrual cycle and to regulate PCOD. Do not practice this asana if you are pregnant, have low blood pressure, extreme lower back pain due to slip disc, headaches, or had a recent abdominal surgery.
Very well done. Any more entries, Juhi?
I think we'll continue.
Okay.
Yeah, there is one more. Yes, yes. Just it's come.
Hello everyone, hello ma'am. My name is Miss Vasundhara Singh and today I will be showing how to do the Chakrasana pose or also called as the wheel pose. Make yourself comfortable on the ground. Make sure you get a comfortable position. Lie down and make sure your feet and hips are in a straight line. Then gently put your arms above your shoulder. Make sure the fingertips pointing each other and also make sure the fingers are tightly close to each other. Make sure your elbows are not pointing outward. Put some pressure on your feet and lift your hip up. Then put some pressure on your palm and lift your head up with your entire body above the ground. Here you get a proper Chakrasana pose or also called as the wheel pose. Do not push yourself. If you feel you are tired, gently put your body down and relax and breathe in and breathe out. Talking about the benefits and limitation of Chakrasana or the wheel pose. The benefits are, first, it sharpens and strengthens your eyesight. Second, it makes your spine elastic, flexible and strong. Third, it reduces your belly fat. And fourth, it reduces the tension and anxiety from your body. Now, the limitations of this Chakrasana is patients diagnosed with hypertension, high blood pressure, heart ailments, weak wrist or arm are not supposed to attempt this asana. Ladies during pregnancy are not supposed to attempt this yoga. So thank you so much.
Wow. Now I know why it was so hard for our judges to choose the winners. I thank all the participants for making this competition such a huge success.
Juhi, you may just inform Dr. Madan that there were many more entries, but because
Yes.
of lack of time, we are not showcasing. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. There were a lot many entries, but because of some time constraint, we are just showing you 2 entries. I think our
So I
FYs are
think,
very enthusiastic.
we really want to congratulate all the participants. I think a big round of applause to each one of you to have participated in the competition, and we are really proud of you. And I think Madhuri, the prize winners and the best entries can also be there on our website. The links can be there, and with their names and photograph. I think it's a huge recognition for all the students.
Yes.
Put in so much of effort, and it speaks volumes. At an FY level, you are doing such fantastic, workouts with yoga. You are bound to be much more fitter as you go further. So keep up the good work, guys. I'm so proud of you. Okay, each one of you, all the FYs. Big round of applause.
Thank you so much, ma'am.